Hello everyone, hope you all are doing well and enjoying my YouTube beauty videos. If you are new to my channel, I am Vaishali. In today's video, I am going to show you this crown hairstyle which is easy to do and you can do this hairstyle within 5 minutes. You can use this hairstyle if you are going to a party, wedding, or if you would like to have a new look, you can do this. Before I am showing this hairstyle, please like, share and comment on this video and subscribe to my channel. So for this crown hairstyle, we need a combs, one rubber band, few bobby pins and few pins like that. First start, comb your hair properly, ensure there are no tangles. Comb your hair properly. Now my hairs are straight. So from your crown part and from your middle of your head part, just take a portion of hair which I am showing you, and comb those hairs and keep it into the front. And now again comb your hair and now comb this hair properly. Ensure there are no tangles. And now hold this hair very tight and now you have to braid this hair which I am showing you, and you have to make a tight and thick braid. First make a 3 part and make sure you make a tight and braid. Make sure it tight from the front. Keep doing that braid. Do that until the end. Make sure it's very tight. Like this. Still do that to the end, and now at the end tie with that rubber band. Now here just tie with that rubber band. Make sure you tie it properly so that it won't loose. Now our braid is ready. Now we have to make a circle on your crown part. Like this, which I am showing you. And you have to tie this braid with that pins. Make sure you tie it properly. Like this. And from the both side, now we have to take a little bit of hair till to your ears like this, and then again comb those hairs properly, both sides. Do the same other side, comb that whole hair properly. And now with that hair, do crisscross like this, and with the help of these pins, tie a hair clip over here which is next to your ears. Do that same the other side like this, and now keep that the rest of the hair to the front like this. Now this is our final hairstyle. So now let's have 360-degree view of this hairstyle, so when you will do, you can visualize how it will look like. So now it's your turn to try this hairstyle at your home and share your result in the comment section below. Please try this hairstyle, it's so beautiful. And please like and share this video, comment on this video, subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.